Condoms. A very small thing, but their use is much more important than you might think. Today, we're going to break down everything you need to know about condoms. How they work, what they're made of, and the surprising science behind them. Let's get started. The chemistry of condoms. A condom is a protective barrier used to prevent unplanned pregnancies and to reduce the risk of sexually transmitted infections like HIV, gonorrhea, and syphilis. Types of condoms. 1. Male condoms. The most common type. Usually made from latex, a natural rubber that is soft, stretchy, and safe for most people. For those with latex allergies, there are alternatives like polyurethane and polyisoprene condoms. 2. Female condoms. Made from polyurethane or nitrile rubber. These condoms are stronger and allow women to have more control over their protection. Do condoms kill sperm? Some condoms are coated with a chemical called nonoxynol, 9, a spermicide that kills sperm and further reduces the chances of pregnancy. However, using too much of it may cause irritation in the vaginal area. Many condoms also contain lubricant to reduce friction and improve comfort during sex. In 2001, the World Health Organization reported that excessive use of nonoxynol, 9, can damage sensitive tissue, so its use was limited afterward. Specialty condoms, benzocaine and erectogenic types. Some condoms contain benzocaine or lidocaine, mild numbing agents that help delay ejaculation and prevent premature climax. Others are coated with nitroglycerin gel, which boosts blood flow in the penis to help maintain a stronger, longer-lasting erection. Final note. This video is made for educational and scientific purposes only. Please avoid unnecessary or inappropriate comments, and treat the topic with the seriousness it deserves. If you learned something new today, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational content.